Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to create LinkedIn account. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Open the LinkedIn app or visit linkedin.com. Click on join now. Enter your first name and your second name, then click continue. Enter your email or phone number. Create a strong password. Toggle on Remember Me whenever you log in, then tap on Continue. Solve the puzzle to pass the security check. Enter your location, enter university or school, and the start year. If you are a student, then toggle I'm a student to yes, then click Next. Upload your profile picture, then click Next. A verification code will be sent to the phone number or email address you provided. Copy and paste the code to confirm your phone number or email. If you are currently looking for a job, then click on Yes, I'm looking for a new job, then click Next. Enter the type of job you are looking for and the location. Toggle on I'm open to remote work, then click Next. You can now search people or groups to follow. Your account is complete. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.